Subscribe to Simplified Biology channel and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Hello friends, welcome to Simplified Biology. Today we'll continue with the anatomy of cockroach, that is nervous system and reproductive system. Nervous system. Nervous system consists of a series of fused, segmentally arranged ganglia joined by paired longitudinal connectives on the ventral side of the body. Now these are the ganglia present in the different segments of cockroach. They are fused to each other and are joined by longitudinal connectives. These are the longitudinal connectives. The nervous system consists of the brain, which is a nerve ring present at the head, and the ventral nerve cord. It spreads throughout the body, a small part of which is present in the head, while the rest is present in the ventral part of the body. That is why when the head of a cockroach is cut off, it still lives for at least 1 week. Now the brain that is present in the head forms a nerve ring around the esophagus. It consists of supraesophageal ganglion. A supraesophageal ganglion is present that is joined to subesophageal ganglion by 2 circumesophageal connectives. The supraesophageal ganglion is joined to the subesophageal ganglion by 2 connectives to form the nerve ring. The supraesophageal ganglion supplies nerves to the antennae and the compound eye of the cockroach. Now the ventral nerve cord, that is the nerve cord present on the ventral side, has paired longitudinal solid nerve cord. Paired solid longitudinal nerve cord that has 9 segmented ganglia. 3 ganglia are present in the thorax region, while the rest 6 ganglia are present in the abdominal region. Several nerves arise from the nerve ring and the ventral nerve cord, supplying to the different parts of the body. The sense organs of a cockroach are compound eye, antennae, maxillary palps, labial palps, and anal cerci. Now the compound eye is black kidney-shaped structure present at the dorsal side of the head, made up of 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. Now these ommatidia receive several images of the object, making it a mosaic picture. That is why it is referred as a mosaic vision. Now covering the ommatidia externally is a thin transparent cuticle called as cornea. Now the mosaic vision has more sensitivity and less resolution. It is common at night, that is, it is nocturnal vision that helps in detecting movement more efficiently. Now the other sense organs, that is antennae, maxillary palps, labial palps, and anal cerci, these are very sensitive tactile sense organs that help in detection of foods and various objects. Next, the reproductive system of cockroach. They are dioecious, that is, sexes are separate, and they have a well-developed reproductive system. starting with the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system has a pair of testes, which are small trilobed structures lying on the lateral side, of 4 to 6 abdominal segments. Now from the testes, these are the testes, arises a thin tube called the vasa deferens. This vasa deferens opens into the ejaculatory duct. These are the ejaculatory duct through the seminal vesicle, which are sac-like structures. So vasa deferens opens into the ejaculatory duct through the seminal vesicle. The ejaculatory duct then opens outside through the male gonopore, which lies ventral to the anus. Associated with the seminal vesicle are mushroom-shaped glands, also known as the utricular glands. Present at the 6th and the 7th abdominal segment. These are accessory reproductive glands. They consist of large tubules and small tubules. Now these are the large tubules and these are the small tubules. The outer ones are the larger ones and the inner ones are the smaller ones, and they are associated with the seminal vesicles. Sperms are stored in bundles. The sperms are glued together to form spermatophore that lies inside the seminal vesicle and are discharged during copulation. The large tubules of the accessory reproductive gland secretes a membrane around the sperm groups, while the small tubules secrete a nutritive fluid in the spermatophore. So the large tubules secrete a membrane while the small tubules secrete nutritive fluid in the spermatophore. Also associated with the male gonophore is a chitinous asymmetrical structure called the male gonapophysis or the phelomeres. They form the external genitalia. Next is the female reproductive system, which consists of 2 large ovaries that lie laterally from the 2nd to the 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary consists of a group of 8 ovary tubules called the ovarioles. Each ovary consists of a group of 8 ovarian tubules, also known as the ovarioles, that contain a chain of developing ova. In each ovariole develops 1 egg. Oviduct from each ovary then opens into a common median oviduct, also known as the vagina. Now these are the ovaries. These are the oviducts that open into a common oviduct, also known as the vagina, which then opens into the genital chamber. A pair of spermatheca are present at the 6th segment. They too open into the genital chamber. Also present are a pair of branched collateral glands. Now these are the white ones, the branched collateral glands. These are the female accessory glands. They too open up into the genital chamber. Now the genital chamber is formed by the fusion of 3 abdominal sternum, as we had seen in the morphology. The boat-shaped 7th sternum along with the 8th and the 9th sterna forms the genital pouch, the anterior part of which is the genital chamber, while the posterior part is the oothical chamber. Female gonopore, spermatical pore, and the opening of collateral glands lie in the genital chamber. 3 pairs of chitinous processes. Now these are the chitinous processes hanging from the genital chamber form the external genitalia or the gonapophysis. The breeding season of cockroach is from March to September. Pheromones, chemical substances, are secreted by the female cockroach that attracts the male cockroach. Fertilization is internal and the sperms are transferred through the spermatophores into the spermatheca of the female. The fertilized egg that is formed is covered by a capsule which is secreted by the collateral glands, the filamentous collateral glands associated with the genital chamber, to form the ootheca, which are dark red to brownish black in color and are about 8 mm long. The ootheca are dropped into cracks or surfaces where the relative humidity is high and they are found present near a food source. 9 to 10 oothecae are formed, each having about 14 to 16 eggs. Development is porometabolous, that is, development occurs through the nymphal stage. Gradual metamorphosis is seen. And development takes 4 to 8 weeks. Now the nymph resembles an adult and it grows by molting about 13 times to form an adult. Molting means shedding of skin. It molts 13 times to form an adult. So it takes about a year to form an adult. Pads are present at the last nymphal stage, while wings are only found in the adult. The nymphal stage are without any wings. That's all for today. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and also visit our website by clicking on the link given below. Thank you for watching.